What's up everyone, it's Nikolai and it's that time of year again, iPhone season plus Oktoberfest. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Pro in Desert Titanium and I'm going to compare it with my iPhone 15 Pro in Natural Titanium. I'm super excited to check out this new Desert Titanium finish and see how it stacks up against the last year's Natural Titanium, which pretty much stayed the same for this year's model. So if you are stuck choosing between these two finishes, this video is for you. Let's dive right in with the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro. At first glance, it doesn't look like much has changed from last year's model, but in person, the new Desert Titanium has this subtle bronzy peach tint with just a hint of that classic apple gold. If you're worried it might look too golden or feminine, don't be, it's a sleek and sophisticated color. I'm really glad I took the chance and went with it. The risk totally paid off. And check this out, there is a new camera control button. It's a touch capacitive slider with a click designed for better control in landscape mode. Now, of course, we can't forget the most satisfying part, peeling off that protective film. The glass is 50% stronger this year and the triple camera setup is still going strong. And here's the Desert Titanium next to last year's Natural Titanium. Since the Natural Titanium hasn't changed, this should give you a good reference to help decide between the two finishes. Like I mentioned earlier, the Desert Titanium doesn't look golden at all to me, it's more of a bronzy shade with a peach tint on the back. Honestly, it's a stunning color choice, much better than your boring black titanium finish. Just kidding. One thing I can already tell is that the bezels on the iPhone 16 Pro are definitely thinner compared to last year's model. When I put it next to my iPhone 15 Pro, you can see there is a slight bump in screen size, 6.3 inches now. The difference is subtle unless you look at them side by side, but the thinner bezels really give it a sleeker vibe. To keep your new iPhone safe, you are definitely gonna need a case, but not just any random case. You want something that protects your phone and still looks good. I've been using BandWerk products for years and I'm excited to say they are sponsoring today's video. BandWerk just dropped a new collection of cases for the iPhone 16 series, including leather sport cases and vegan sport cases. I'm really into this sport leather case, especially in the chocolate brown color. The waterproof leather on the back comes from a German tannery, so you get a case that's both stylish and built to last. The camera protection and buttons are made from aerospace grade aluminum, which is super durable and lightweight. I love how the black camera protection pairs with the Desert Titanium camera rings on the iPhone. It looks awesome. And for extra protection you've got TPU bumpers and a polycarbonate frame to handle those accidental drops and bumps. If you are going for natural titanium or black titanium and want that monochrome look, check out the graphite black sport leather case. It looks awesome on my Desert Titanium iPhone 2. And if you are after a vegan option, check out the sport case in nano gray. The back is made from a super durable, waterproof and eco-friendly material, giving your phone a sleek, long-lasting protective case. I will drop links to the cases and discount code for you guys in the video description. Big thanks to BandWerk for sponsoring this video. Now, since this is just a first impression video, let's quickly go over the specs of the iPhone 16 Pro. It's powered by the new A18 chip with 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU and 8 gigs of RAM. This is all optimized for Apple's AI, which is gonna be a big deal in the coming months. But what I'm most excited about is the focus on cameras this year, especially with the larger sensors on both models Pro and Pro Max. I am really curious to see how these camera upgrades perform in the real world, especially with all of Apple's new software and hardware tweaks. And then there is a new shutter button, which I can't wait to try. It's placed a bit higher than I would prefer, but it's designed for vertical shooting, which makes sense with how popular vertical content is now. If you're holding the phone with your right hand, your thumbs naturally lands on the button, making vertical shooting easier. And that's a wrap on the unboxing and first look at the iPhone 16 Pro. I'm gonna test it out and share my full review soon, but in the meantime, let me know in the comments what comparisons or tests you would like to see. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts on the new iPhones in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one.